We're going to look at another 8th grade STAR test question, state assessment question. Gwen spent $12.50 to purchase 5 bracelets. Each bracelet costs the same amount. Which graph has a slope that best represents this rate? And they have given A, B, C, D 4 graphs over here. Based on this problem, he spent $12.50 for 5 bracelets. Each of the bracelets costs the same amount, and select the graph. Okay, now let's go to evaluate this question first. Each bracelet costs the same amount, and there is no other sign up fee, membership fee, or anything else. So it's a proportional word problem. Okay, so it's a proportional word problem. Since this is proportional, we said that $12.50 for 5 bracelets. So it's actually basically what is the price of one bracelet. 12.50 divided by 5, you will get 2.50. so that's the price of one bracelet, or this is the unit rate for this word problem. Now when it is the unit, this is a proportional word problem, therefore our equation is going to be in the form of y equals kx, and you don't have the y-intercept. It's actually a graph that passing through the origin, and then the constant of proportionality or the unit rate for us is 2.5. so you can write an equation 2.50x, and if at all there is a y-intercept that was 0, because this graph is going to pass through 0, and the constant of proportionality or the unit rate is just 2.50. now whenever you have the graph, we can understand that this graph is going to pass through the origin, this 0 0, and when one bracelet is bought, what you have to pay is $2.50. so that's what you need to look for. Okay, so let's go back to the word problem, the graphs over there, and try to figure out whether we can select the right option. Okay, he sent $12.50 for 5 bracelets, and we just found out that if the price for 5 bracelets is $12.50, then the price of one bracelet or the unit rate is 2.50, because 5 2.50 makes 12.50. now the first one says the number of bracelets is over here, number purchased. Okay, now let's look at one, and this is something like 5. so A shows this is a proportional graph, passes through the origin, but when you purchase one bracelet, you pay like $5. that's what this says. so precisely that's not the right option for us. And the second option is B over here. This one says the number of bracelets purchased, when it is 1, we get 12.5. no, that's not what it says. It says for one bracelet it's only 2.5. I mean, for 5 bracelets it's actually 12.5. that's what it was saying. All right, so 12.5 is not a right option. Now the third one, this is also a proportional graph, it passes through the origin, and the unit rate should be 2.5. that's why the scale is 2 to 4. now 3 would be somewhere in the middle. This is like a little bit less than that. This is actually 2.5. okay, so for one bracelet you are going to pay $2.50. so C is the right option for us. That's the unit rate, that's the correct graph. And the third one is saying, okay, for 5 bracelets you are going to pay $2. that's what D says. for 5 bracelets you are going to pay $2. so I explain all these problems, and we're going to read the question one more time. He spent $12.50 for 5 bracelets. Now every time each bracelets cost the same amount, so you have to find out the unit rate, divide it with the calculator, or there are 2.5 times 5 is actually 12.50. Therefore the price of one bracelet is 2.5. Now then only you can select the right option. Now the price of one bracelet is 4.5 on the A option. The price of one bracelet is 12.5 is on the B option. Now the price of one bracelet is 2.50 is on C. Therefore C is our right option for this one. Yes, thank you.